Everyone's excited because AI can write tests, generate test data, even run checks while you sleep. But here's the uncomfortable truth. AI can execute, it can imitate, it can even suggest, but AI still struggles with the one thing that actually catches the embarrassing bugs: exploratory testing. And if you're relying on AI to replace it, you're about to ship a very confident failure. So the real question isn't, can AI test? It's, can AI explore like a human tester does when the map is wrong? And more importantly, how do we use AI to explore better, not explore less? So exploratory testing isn't clicking around. I think a lot of people think it is. It's thinking while testing. It's where you're constantly asking, what's the risk here? What would a real user do? What's weird or inconsistent? What changed recently? What's the fastest way to break this? Exploratory testing is part investigation, part curiosity, and part experience. You're building a mental model of the product and then trying to prove that model wrong. Let's be fair, AI is brilliant at patterns. It's great at generating plausible test cases, producing permutations, spotting obvious inconsistencies, summarizing logs, suggesting boundary values, automating repetitive checks. But exploration needs things AI is shaky at. Intent. Humans test with a purpose. What's the most damaging failure here? AI often tests what's likely, not what's dangerous. Context. Exploration uses domain knowledge. Payroll, healthcare, finance, safety systems, you test them all differently. AI can mimic context, it doesn't live it. Judgement. Exploratory testers constantly decide what matters. Is this a bug or a feature? Is this worth raising? Is this a user problem or an edge case? Is this a symptom of something bigger? AI can rank and guess, but judgment is earned over time. The best bugs come from, hang on, that's odd. AI doesn't get that gut feeling, it gets probabilities. So let me give you a realistic example. A checkout flow passes automation. AI generated tests all pass. Happy days. But an exploratory tester notices something tiny. When you add an item, remove it, change delivery, then re-add it, the total looks right, but the discount rules silently change. No crash, no error, no failed assertion, just a business rule drifting. The kind that costs money and causes refunds. That bug doesn't come from more test cases, it comes from a human noticing a story that doesn't add up. And here's the win. Stop asking AI to replace exploratory testing. Start using AI to remove the friction around it. Use AI as your exploration copilot. And here are 5 practical ways. Risk brainstorm in 60 seconds. So the prompt would be, give this feature a description, list top user risks, edge cases and failure modes, prioritize by impact. Now you're exploring with a risk-led checklist, not vibes. Generate smart charters prompt. Create 8 exploratory test charters for this feature. Security, usability, accessibility, performance, data integrity, and workflow interruptions. Charters keep exploration focused, fast, and reportable. Turn production incidents into exploration prompt. Here's a production bug summary. Create exploration sessions to find adjacent risks and similar failure paths. This is where exploration becomes strategic, not random. Log plus data analysis prompt. Here are logs from a failed run. Summarize anomalies and propose test ideas that will reproduce them. AI is amazing at spotting patterns in noise. Variation engine prompt. Give me permutations of this workflow that a real user might do incorrectly. Interruptions, back button, refresh, multi-tab, slow network. AI becomes your chaos generator. So yes, AI will write tests. It'll run tests faster than us. It'll even find some bugs. But exploratory testing isn't just testing, it's sense making. And right now the best setup is AI handles the breadth, humans handle the meaning. And if you want, I'll drop you a copy and paste prompt for exploratory testing with AI. Risk prompts, charter generators, bug adjacency prompts, and session notes templates. Comment prompts and I'll post it. And if you're in QA right now, are you using AI to replace exploration or simply to amplify it? Let me know in the comments. Make sure you give this a like and subscribe so this can reach more people and help them on their path to test success. Goodbye.